Axon Enterprise shares jumped an electrifying 15% following the release of its stellar second quarter financial results. The company, known for its public safety technology, announced a quarterly revenue of $669 million, which represents a 33% year-over-year increase and surpasses analyst expectations. Earnings per share came in at $2.12, a substantial jump from the prior year and a positive surprise of over 37% compared to estimates. This strong performance was largely driven by a 39% increase in the company's high-margin software and services revenue. Axon's annual recurring revenue, ARR, a key metric indicating sustained demand, also saw a significant leap of 39% to $1.2 billion. Following the impressive quarter, Axon boosted its revenue and adjusted earnings guidance for the full year. The company's growth was balanced across its two business segments. Software and services revenue was up 38.8% to $292.2 million, while connected devices, which includes its Taser electrical weapons and Axon body and dashboard cameras, was up 28.6% to $376.4 million. Axon is also gaining traction with its new generative artificial intelligence, AI, features, including Draft One, a tool that creates first drafts of police reports automatically based on camera footage. These features are saving its customers many hours of desk work each week. Axon's strong performance led the company to raise its guidance for the year, calling for revenue of $2.65 billion to $2.73 billion, up from a previous forecast of $2.6 billion to $2.7 billion. The company's dominant position in law enforcement technology and its investments in new technologies like AI are expected to continue driving its growth. Despite the positive outlook, Axon faces some challenges, including the impact of tariffs on its financials, the complexity of deploying enterprise solutions, and the lumpiness in its platform solution segment due to large deals. The company is still in the early stages of monetizing its drone technology, with current revenue primarily coming from software rather than hardware. Axon acknowledges the need for continued investment in R&D and sales to maintain its growth trajectory, which could impact short-term profitability. During the earnings call, Axon's management discussed the company's progress in various areas, including its enterprise addressable market, AI era plan, and platform solutions. The company booked its largest deal in history with a major city police department, encompassing a wide range of products from drones to AI solutions. Axon's AI bookings are progressing well, with hands-on product trials proving effective in demonstrating value. Its diversified product portfolio and strong pipeline give it confidence in achieving its growth target.